In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add or remove magnifying glass shortcut to the control center. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down for a bit until you find Control Center. Then get into it. Now here you can find two different sections. The first is Included Controls. There located features that are already at the Control Center. And the second section is More Controls. From here you can add any features to included controls. So now all you have to do is right here find magnifier, and then in order to add it to included controls, just hit add that plus sign. So now you can swipe down from the top right hand corner, and here you can find that magnifier icon. You can tap on that to bring up that feature, and after that you can use this magnifier feature. Also, from here you can change the order of that icons. You can do it just by simply dragging this feature up or down. You can place it at the very first position. So now if you swipe down and open up Control Center, you can find magnifying feature at the very first position. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.